Bienvenue à une vidéo des ventilateurs du Québec. Here I am revisiting this early 1980s SMC Laguna 132 centimeters in white and polished brass finish I originally acquired in June 2010. It's got a forward reverse off pull chain with an integrated variable speed control. This is of course the ordinary kind of variable speed control that will make the fan buzz. It's got these beautiful brass badges. Unfortunately, they're made of plastic though. The canopy is made of plastic. Here it is on low speed. A very nice low speed of about 30 RPMs. Here's a faster speed. At the low setting I just showed you, the buzzing is actually not that bad. You don't hear it that much. Now you start to hear it more. So here's a fast low speed of about 80 RPMs. Here's what would be more like a medium speed. This is about like 125 RPMs. It's around those kind of speeds that the buzz is the worst. Here is high speed. Very, very powerful. Wow. This is probably like 250 RPMs or so. Amazing airflow. Very, very powerful. Of course, the motor on these early 80s Lagunas is of industrial quality. It's essentially the same motor you would get on an SMC K56 of the same period. So yes, this motor can drive even an even wider blade span than 132. They're meant for 140. The exact age of the fan is unknown, but it's definitely somewhere between 1981 to 1983. This was the last version with these plastic badges, to the best of my knowledge. Just right after that, they adopted the flat metal badges. Well, I hope you enjoy seeing again this early 1980s white and polished brass SMC Laguna in 132 cm with integrated variable speed control. J'espère que ça vous a plu de revoir ce SMC Laguna 132 cm du début des années 80, fini Blanc et Laiton Poli avec vitesse variable intégrée. Thank you for watching. Merci d'avoir visionné.